Hello viewers, welcome to another tutorial by Project Maker. In this video, I will be demonstrating you how we can do analysis on a given dataset. For this purpose, I will be using an unemployment dataset which I have downloaded it from Kaggle. The link of that dataset is available in description, so you can also try this project. So without wasting any time, let's start. So I will move to my destination folder. So as you can see, there are two files which I have downloaded from that Kaggle dataset. You can also download the same files. So let's start analyzing this project. So for that, I will just type cmd in this path section, and command prompt is open in front of you. And after that, I will just write Jupyter notebook. To open this folder in notebook, as you can see, the project is open, and I will just open the Jupyter file, which is this. I have already done some analysis of the dataset. As you can see, for performing analysis we require the following library, which is Pandas, NumPy, Seaborn, Plotify and Matplotlib, as you can see. So I have imported all this library in first cell, and after that I have imported the CSV file in a dataset using pd.read_csv command, as you can see. After inputting the dataset in our program, I have simply written data.head, which will print first 5 values of dataset. So the columns of the dataset are state, data, frequency, estimated unemployment rate, and etc. as you can see. So let's start with taking information about this dataset. So for that, I have simply written data.info, which will give every information about the dataset, which is state. The rows in this state are 267. There is no null value, and the data type is object, which means string like dataset. And the details of other columns are given here, as you can see. After that, I have used data.describe command, which will give me the count, mean, median, max of every column, so that which will help us to analyze dataset easily, as you can see. So after data.describe command, what is the size of our dataset? So for that, I have used data.shape command, which will just return the number of rows and columns present in a dataset. So number of rows are 267 and columns are 9 in a dataset. After that, I have used simply group by method, which will give me results according to the states and region of unemployment rate. So after running this command in front of you, I have just taken the mean of all the states and printed according to the region, as you can see. So for region East and state, we have the unemployment rate is 19.47%, as you can see, and similarly for other states and region, the results are in front of you. So this was all the numerical data analytics. So now let's try to visualize a dataset using SNS and Matplotlib packages. So for that, I have just simply written data.columns, and in that list I have written all the name of columns which I wish to visualize. And after that, I have just used plot.figure size, which will make my plot visible, of size 10 and 8. Then the title, as you can see, which is present here. After that, I use SNS package, in which I use histplot method and pass estimated unemployment rate as X, and the color of this area is changed according to the region, and the past data as it is. So this is the output of this above command. I hope it is visible. Let's move ahead. In next step, I use a Plotly package of Python for data visualization purpose. This package visualizes a dataset in pie chart type format, so which is visible in front of you. So I have just used a sunburst method of that package and passed the employment data here, and just one values as estimated unemployment rate and the title, which is in front of you, and kept the height of this pie chart as 600, and just written figure.show, which will visualize the dataset in front of you. And as you can see, the visualization of each result is also visible when we hover on the particular state. So currently I have hover on Delhi, and it is giving the estimated unemployment rate, which is 18%. For Jammu Kashmir, it will be changed, so here it is 16%. So this was all about the data visualization and data analysis of an unemployment dataset. Here comes the end of this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Thanks for watching this video.